Reason why I went with this bike is because
let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Reason why I went with this bike is because for 2019 it's all new. It has the brand new, all new redesigned engine off the 2018 YZ450F motocross version of this bike. But unlike the motocross version of this bike, this has the WR450F's 160 watt stator and 5-speed wide ratio transmission, and is not corked up with all the EPA crap like the WR450F. So you get full power out of the box, and more importantly, you're able to tune it via smartphone. Yes, this is your smart dirt bike that has Wi-Fi capabilities, where you connect to your smartphone and you can completely change the power profile on this bike by creating a custom map, or you can even get have a custom map sent to you from your buddy. If he's got the same bike and he came up with a really cool map, he sends it to you, you upload it to your bike, bada boom, bada bang. So you can literally put a little bit more power on the bottom end or the mid-range or the top end, or maybe even make it more linear. So in my opinion, it's more beneficial to get the 450 version of this bike than the 250 version, because this bike is only 6 pounds heavier than the 250FX, but yet has the ability to be able to dumb down the power anytime you want to, or add more power, do whatever with the power via smartphone. So I'll be sharing that experience with you guys. We'll see how it all works out. We'll see if this will be the ultimate hooligan machine. Hey, be sure to watch my build series on this bike, where I transform this bike into an ultimate hooligan supermoto machine. I already did the first part of the build series previous to this video, where I installed an FMF pipe, radiator guards, the fan kit, and seal savers. So go check that video out. Make sure to watch this build series. Also stay tuned in for future videos where I take it to the MX track and trails. Anyways, for those of you guys that always keep asking me about my motorcycle gear, such as my camo pants, my boots, my gloves, my leather jackets, helmets, all my stuff, cameras. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com, click on the menu tab My Gear, and those are a bunch of links to all of my stuff. And for those of you guys who want to see more of my videos, click on the menu tab My Videos, and those are a bunch of playlists with my over 1,200 plus videos categorized into those playlists, to make it easier for you to navigate and find what you're looking for, hopefully to inform you, entertain you. Hey, hit thumbs up, share this video. I appreciate it. Comment, guys. It really helps my channel when you do that. It helps motivate me to do more videos. Like I said, this is my all-in-one motorcycle channel, sharing a full experience with you guys with all the different types of bikes and styles of ride and everything. That's what my channel is all about, guys. Subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel, and also go check out my other channel, Moto. It showcases a van that I customized for cheap, that allows me to live in my van with my motorcycle anywhere, and has a ton of cool mods. And that channel has everything from build videos, trip videos, anything and everything Moto. As a courtesy, I included 2 video playlists, one for new riders, and those are all of the videos I've done over the years that I feel are helpful for new riders, and also my popular videos playlist. Hey, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Take care.